One of my best friends in life, Sheikh Umar Sulaiman, some of you know him, went to Hajj. Some guy came up to him and said, you and that guy Nauman, you're the Dajjal. And he said to them, well, there's only one Dajjal. So the guy says to him, you're right. Okay, it's Nauman. So then Umar says, yes, and walked away. It's okay. Don't get angry at people. Let them say things. It's okay. They're still family. So don't get angry at people who get angry at you. When it's hard for you to be criticized, and you get angry at the critic, you get angry at the person criticizing you, then you have arrogance. Even if they are wrong, if you get angry, you have pride issues. They are still your brother. There are people who email me, they say things like, you are the Dajjal, you are calling people to kufr, I hope I see you in the hellfire. I responded to him, first of all I said, may Allah bless you, may He bless your family, may He reward you, may He reward your family, may He forgive you and your parents, and second of all, please don't say I will see you in hell, because to see me, you have to be next to me. So I hope I see you in Jannah. You don't have to, oh yeah? Well, I'll see you there first. You don't have to do that. There are people who come up to me, I say, Assalamu alaikum, they say hello. I don't think they're Muslim. They do. I say, oh, that's cool. Take care then. Assalamu alaikum again. And they still respond. And it's fine. It doesn't bother me. It does not bother me.